Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we'll be explaining ElevenLabs pricing. Which plan offers the best value? Well, at the end of this video you will have enough information to make the choice. If you're interested in generating high quality AI voices, then check out ElevenLabs in the link in the description down below. And then after this video, you can create your account. But figuring out the best plan for your needs can be confusing. We're going to break down each plan, thus highlighting the key features and determining which features offer the best value. Before we dive into the plans, let's quickly recap ElevenLabs' core features. You've got the exceptional voice cloning, thus allowing you to create highly realistic AI voices. Then there's the text-to-speech, delivering natural-sounding audio in multiple languages. They also offer speech-to-speech and robust API access for developers. These are the essential features we'll be considering when evaluating each plan. So at the time of recording this video, ElevenLabs has about 7 different plans. And for all these plans, you can choose to pay at the monthly rate or the yearly rate. Of course, the yearly rate will be cheaper, but for the monthly, it might be a little bit higher. However, in this pricing explainer, we will be using the monthly rate. The first plan is the free plan. This is a great way to test the platform. You get limited character credits per month, making it ideal for casual use or initial exploration. This means that you will get about 10,000 credits per month as a limit. So this is not for the extensive project, but as a beginner. And then we have the starter plan. This plan offers an increased character limit of 30,000 credits per month. And it also has basic cloning capabilities. It's geared towards hobbyists and those just beginning to create audio content. You get more credits than the free plan, thus allowing for more extensive testing and use. Then we have the creator plan. The creator plan is designed for serious content creators. It provides a significant increase in character credits, having a limit of 100,000 credits per month and enhanced voice cloning features. So if you're producing regular audio content, this plan offers a good balance of features and affordability. Then we have the Pro plan. The Pro plan is built for creators scaling their production. It offers a higher character count at 500,000 credits limit and also carves out higher quality audio outputs. This plan is for those who need a professional level output and higher volume of work. And then you have the Scale plan. The Scale plan is aimed at startups and publishers. It offers larger volumes of character credits, currently at 2 million credits per month, and it also has priority support. This is ideal for businesses with very high volume needs and who need reliable support. And finally, we have the Enterprise plan. The Enterprise plan is for large-scale operations with custom needs. You'll need to contact ElevenLabs directly for pricing and specific features. This plan provides tailored solutions for high-volume enterprise-level requirements. So, which plan offers the best value? Well, it really depends on your individual needs and pocket. For casual users, the free plan is a great starting point. For serious content creators, the Creator or Pro plan will likely be the most suitable. If you're a startup or publisher, the Scale plan is designed for your needs. Businesses with high volume needs should look at the Business plan. So consider your character credit needs, voice cloning requirement, and overall usage. We recommend comparing the cost per character credit to determine the most cost-effective option for your specific case. In conclusion, ElevenLabs provides a range of plans to cater to various needs. Remember to always check the official website for the most up-to-date pricing and feature details, as these change from time to time. If you found this explainer helpful, don't forget to sign up for ElevenLabs using the link below, and thanks for watching.